It's time for a major makeover for the Flemish chimney at Philbeach Farmhouse near Marloes in Pembrokeshire. The 500-year-old chimney weighs around 7 tons and is one of the finest examples in the whole of Wales. Incredibly, it was only held up by this rotten pine lintel. Now a new oak lintel has gone in and the massive stack is safe. Time for everyone to breathe a big sigh of relief.
Oh yeah, it would have fallen down sooner rather than later. There wasn't much strength left in the lintel. So yeah, with the weight of stone on top of there, it's a big mass, it would have come down. It was a challenge, but after the propping we were sure about it. It was the job was pretty straightforward afterwards.
Yeah, it's very important, and we're glad that it's sort of secured. It's always been one of those sort of overriding worries, and now that it's there and the lintel's in, we're delighted. Yeah, good.
Flemish chimneys are a rarity in Pembrokeshire, with only a handful of these impressive structures across the county.
Of course, we've known from the start how important it is to keep this chimney. It's particularly rare on this peninsula. It's the only one on the Dale-Marloes Peninsula. It's also quite important to see one actually attached to a building. A lot of them, especially in the Tenby area, have been left to ruin, so the chimneys remain, but now form just parts of gardens and so on. So this is particularly good that this is in a room and it's going to be used as part of the building.
Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Authority conservation officers say the chimney shows our ancestors knew a thing or two about living in harmony with their surroundings.
Well, we talk about sustainability, but here we are with a chimney that's built of local stone. It's mortared in locally sourced lime mortar, and actually the fireplace which it serves burnt local coal, or indeed culm, which is small coal mixed with local clay. So all of these really is the message of sustainability 500 years ago, which is the sort of message that we're trying to preach today in the National Park.
Next time, how do you give an ancient building some TLC? The answer, you plaster the walls with lime.